Your skincare routine is working against you. And the worst part, you don't even know it yet. You've tried the cleansers, you've tried the serums, you've watched 100 videos, spent money on products that promised clear skin in 7 days, and every single morning, you look in the mirror and nothing has changed. Maybe it even got worse. And that's the most exhausting part, isn't it? It's not just the acne, it's the hope you put in and the disappointment you get back. You start to wonder, is it my diet, my hormones? Am I just stuck like this? You're not, and you were never the problem. The problem is the routine itself, or more specifically, 3 invisible mistakes that almost everyone makes. And by the end of this video, you will never make them again. But first, let me show you what's actually happening inside your skin. Here's the truth that most skincare brands will never tell you, because honestly, it would put them out of business. Your skin is not the enemy. It's actually trying to protect you. Every single blackhead, every clogged pore, every breakout is your skin doing its job, just doing it wrong, because you're accidentally triggering it to go into overdrive. And once you understand why that happens, fixing it becomes almost effortless. So let's talk about what's actually going on under the surface. Think of your pores like tiny drains in a sink. When they're clear, everything flows. But when sebum, that's your skin's natural oil, mixes with dead skin cells and debris, it hardens, like grease cooling down in a pipe. Now here's where most people go wrong. They try to force it out. Aggressive scrubbing, harsh toners, rough extractions, what does that do? It inflames the drain, it swells the walls. Now you've got a clog and a fire. Your skin responds to that inflammation by producing even more oil to protect itself. And the cycle starts again. That's not a skin problem. That's a method problem. And today we're fixing the method. Core routine the right way step 1. The double cleanse start with an oil-based cleanser. I know, sounds counterintuitive. But oil dissolves oil. That hardened sebum we talked about? Oil cleanser melts it loose without stripping your skin's barrier. This is where most people go wrong. They reach for a foaming cleanser first, and that's actually the second step, not the first. The foam cleanser comes in after to remove the water-based debris, sweat, bacteria, residue. One cleanse doesn't do both jobs. 2 steps, every time, non-negotiable. Pro insight, massage your oil cleanser for at least 60 seconds, 10, not 20, 60. That's the minimum time it takes to properly emulsify the buildup. Set a timer if you have to. Step 2, the exfoliation secret. Don't skip this, but don't overdo it. Chemical exfoliation. Not physical. Put the scrub down. A BHA, beta-hydroxy acid, the most common one is salicylic acid, is oil-soluble, which means it can actually go inside the pore and clean it from within. Physical scrubs sit on the surface. They can't do that. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. And here's some things almost no one talks about. Apply it to dry skin, not damp. Damp skin dilutes the acid. Dry skin lets it work at full strength. But here's the catch, more is not more. We'll talk about why in just a second. Step 3, treatment that actually targets the root. Step is your weapon. And most people waste it. If you have active breakouts, niacinamide and zinc is your combination. Niacinamide calms inflammation, reduces redness, and this is the part people don't know, it actually trains your sebaceous glands to produce less oil over time. This isn't a quick fix. This is a reset. Apply it while your skin is slightly warm after cleansing. Warmth opens the surface and helps absorption. And don't mix it with vitamin C in the same step. That's a common mistake that kills the effectiveness of both. Morning for one, evening for the other. We'll come back to this. Step 4. Moisture is not optional. I hear this all the time. I have oily skin, I don't need moisturizer. That's exactly why your skin is oily. When you strip moisture without replacing it, your skin panics. It compensates by producing more oil. You are causing the problem you're trying to fix. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic gel moisturizer, lock in hydration, signal to your skin that it's safe. When your skin feels balanced, it stops overproducing. The oiliness calms down. The breakouts reduce. It sounds too simple, but this one shift alone changes everything for a lot of people. High retention mistakes, okay? Here's where we need to talk about what might be actively destroying your progress right now. Mistake 1, over-exfoliating. If you're using a scrub or acid every single day, you are tearing down your skin barrier faster than it can rebuild. A broken barrier means more sensitivity, more redness, more, ironically, breakouts. Pull back to 3 times a week maximum. Mistake 2, picking and squeezing. This one is hard to hear, but it has to be said. When you squeeze a pimple the wrong way, you are pushing bacteria deeper into the skin, not out. Deeper. That turns a surface-level breakout into a cystic lesion. And cystic acne leaves scars. The kind that take months to fade. This can actually make things significantly worse. So the next time you feel the urge, press a warm compress instead. It softens the blockage without the damage. Mistake 3, skipping SPF. Post-acne marks, the dark spots left behind, are made dramatically worse by UV exposure. You can have the best routine in the world, and unprotected sun exposure will undo it. SPF isn't optional. It's the final layer of the whole system. Pro secret's alright. This is the part most people never hear. Secret 1, the 20-minute rule. After applying a chemical exfoliant, wait 20 minutes before applying your next product. Acids need time to work at their natural skin pH. Layering immediately on top interrupts the process. Set a timer. Use that 20 minutes to do literally anything else. Secret 2. Slugging only on clear nights. Slugging routine with a thin layer of petrolatum or a healing balm is incredible for barrier repair, but only when you have no active breakouts. On acne-prone areas, it can trap bacteria and worsen congestion. Clear skin, slug away. Active breakouts, skip it. Secret 3. Ingredient pairing is everything. Niacinamide in the morning. Retinol or acids at night. Vitamin C alone, never with actives. These pairings aren't just preferences, they're chemistry. Get them wrong and you're neutralizing your own products. Get them right and your routine becomes exponentially more effective. These aren't complicated, they're just details no one bothered to explain. Fast recap, so here's where we are. Double cleanse, oil first, foam second. BHA exfoliant 2 to 3 times a week on dry skin. Niacinamide and zinc as your treatment layer, a lightweight moisturizer always. SPF every single morning. Stop picking, stop over-exfoliating, respect the ingredient pairings. That's not a complicated routine, that's a smart one. Motivational close clear skin isn't about finding the one miracle product. It's about building a system that works with your skin instead of against it. And systems take time, usually 4 to 6 weeks before you see the real shift. But when it starts working, you'll wonder how you ever did it the other way. You're not fighting your skin anymore. You're just learning to listen to it, that's all this is. And you've already started.